Now, whether you're new to cryptocurrency or you're a beginner trader, then you obviously would have actually seen a couple of opportunities spring up on different trading platforms here and there, where you can actually grab the opportunity to make, a couple more cryptocurrency for yourself, especially when these crypto exchanges are introducing new coins. Now, this is a very huge opportunity because right now, Bybit is actually introducing USDtb, and USDtb is a cryptocurrency stable coin fully backed by the institutional grade tokenized US Treasury Fund product, offering stability, liquidity, and yield generation. And this right here brings you an opportunity with Bybit because all they're simply asking you to do here is to buy and hold USDtb, and you can actually secure for yourself 5% of your holdings in USDtb airdrop, right? Now, I'm going to be leaving this particular link right here for you guys in the description so you can obviously go through it. But you can see here how to participate, hold USDtb, right? And here you just need to hold a minimum of 0.00005 USDtb in your Bybit account. You want to track your holdings and you are going to receive your yield, right? Now, what do we simply want to do right here? All you want to do right now is to go over to spots, because you can actually get to buy this on spots, right? And once you're on spots here, you can simply go ahead and search for USDtb USDT, and with this on here, you can easily go ahead and buy. You can make purchase for this or from the markets, right? And let's say I'm going to just buy $10 worth of USDtb right now. And once you're able to purchase USDtb, you're going to see here on your holdings the amount of USDtb you have on your holdings. You're going to see the total yield, and you're going to see the yield from the previous day. Okay, now this is exactly what you need to do, and you want to go ahead and use my link down in the description to jump on Bybit right now if you have a Bybit account. And obviously, yes, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Okay.